Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot OPPO Find X9 Pro. Alright, the process is really easy. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Really easy thing. Now simply drag this white ball into the restart function and release your finger. You can now see that the OPPO logo disappeared. All we need to do now is to simply wait until our phone turns on. It will be done automatically. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device health, because during that process our phone rests for a moment. Also, the RAM gets freed up and it can help with the performance of our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.